Hey guys, let me show you a cool product that I just got. This is the smart ring. You might see those online. See a bunch of reviews of it. Comes with this charger. Where's the rings? You put it to charge. And you got your charger. It is amazing. It's a cool thing to have to track your own health. So let's open the app and show you how that works and how it is. So here you see you're on home, where it is, and then you can go to health part, and you will see a bunch of stuff. So I can do measurement on my heart rate, and now it's learning and pairing with my ring. Okay, now it says I'm 81 BPM. Stress levels that I can tell. It depends. Well, they have to monitor your body over the day, and that way the ring learns how you're doing every day. So give it some time. By the way, also it can track your steps daily and how many what's the distance of your walks on all the stuff. And you can track your activity, your physical activities, so as well on your smart ring. It's amazing.